Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete multiple sheets in Excel. Open your Excel document. There you can see the current sheets in the workbook. Now select a sheet, then press the Control key and click on the other sheets to delete. Right-click on them and then select the option Delete. Your sheets will have been deleted from the workbook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.